Welcome back, and you're watching Markets at Noon on ET now. And markets surely quite subdued in trade. Nothing exciting happening on that front. Nifty still below that 19,700 levels. No, not much of a recovery coming in there. But what was exciting was the Diwali season. Retail sales surely, saw an increase coming in as well. And that was something that was exciting, at least from the retailers front. And we are joined by Praveen Khandelwal, National Secretary General at CAIT, as well as Manish Raj Singhania, President at FADA, to talk about across the board what was the trend that was shaping up as well. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining in with us this afternoon, and a very good afternoon to both of you all as well. Mr. Praveen, I'm going to come to you. Beginning of the year, retail spendings were a bit subdued in terms of that, but the sentiment surely saw an improvement coming in during the festive season, right? That bumper festive season is what we saw coming in this time around. In terms of sales, how was that looking like? Which segments were doing well? And has that trend continued post the festive season as well of, the bumper sales going?
Absolutely. We have seen in the just concluded Diwali festival that there is a considerable and positive change in the mindset of the consumer, who is fully equipped with the requisite money in his pocket and really want to make expenditure on the items which are related to household or automobile or likewise other items. So therefore, this phenomena and this sentiment was visibly seen in all the markets across the country, and which resulted into a bumper record trade of 3.7 lakh crores of rupees during the Diwali festival. And certainly, we are quite hopeful that this sentiment is going to prevail in the market, because from 20th, 23rd of November, the wedding season is again going to start, and we are hoping a considerable good business in this wedding season also. So the entire gamut of the retail trade has been considerably changed, having a good positive sentiment from the consumer side. And on the trader side, yes, we are fully equipped with the latest designs, technology, and the various innovative methods to welcome consumers at mainline stores across the country.
Right. Mr. Singhania, coming to you, right, in terms of retail vehicle sales, how was that looking like? October, when the data did come out, it seemed like a bit of a decline that we saw in terms of the sales there. But was festive season good in terms of retail vehicle sales?
So, comparing October to last October was not exactly comparing apple to apple, because in last year October we had this part of Navratra and Diwali in 1 month. So overall that retail was pretty high. But overall, if you look at the 42 festive day period that we calculate at FADA, that is start of Navratra, first day of Navratra, till the 10 days after Dhanteras. Vahan numbers need to settle down. So that's the period we calculate, and overall auto retail trade is looking very good, and all these segments are firing up. We were pretty worried about the two-wheeler segment, and we could continuously. We have been talking about the rural distress that we have been seeing in the requirement of recovery of rural market, but. During festival times, even the rural customer has also come out and spent some money on auto, or whether it is two-wheeler or four-wheeler. So you will find an overall growth across the segment, whether it is two-wheeler, four-wheeler, commercial, three-wheelers, tractors, everywhere you will see the numbers are growing. And I think it would be just another week more to go, but probably this should be the ever best festive that we have ever seen.
Soumit Sarkar also joining into the conversation. Manish sir, can you just tell us, in the two-wheelers, where have we seen most of the interest? Has it been in the premium segment or in the entry-level motorcycles?
So as market has been telling us, the premium segment has been doing pretty well, and there has been no cause of worry, whether it is two-wheeler or four-wheelers. SUVs have been going like crazy numbers. And I think last year SUV reached a penetration of almost 60% in passenger car. What is unique about two-wheeler is like the kind of double-digit growth, or in fact, I can confidently say now that we'll be seeing a growth of around somewhere between 20 to 25% in two-wheeler segment. That can only really happen when the entry level has also delivered the requisite number. So that's the good part. The dealers had been suffering quite a lot, two-wheeler dealers, and the retails were really not coming. And it is really good that Navratras and Deepavali both this season have done pretty well, and the entry level two wheeler has also performed well. That's also a very good sign for the auto retail trade.
Okay, entry level has done well also for the auto retail side as well. But Mr. Praveen, talking about other than that, how is the trend that is shaping up for other retail sides? That premiumization trend, obviously we know has been continuing, but are mass level products also doing well?
Well, as we have seen the customers visiting the markets, I must emphasize that on the other side, our small manufacturers have also taken the task on their head to revitalize their manufacturing units. They are coming with innovative designs comparable to global standards, and they are meeting the global challenges also, making high quality products, thereby meeting the exact demand of the consumer. That is why the consumer is now coming back to the markets, and there is a phenomena that is touch and feel. That touch and feel symptoms are very much visible in the local market. Therefore, gone are the days when consumers were finding themselves handicapped for waiting designs and so many other things. Now, lot many designs, lot many offers, and various other things are attracting the consumers. So therefore, the future of retail trade in India is certainly going to be bright, provided we need some kind of policy support from the government, which government is already working on, like national retail trade policy, national e-commerce policy, national e-commerce rules. Those are under pipeline, and once they are in place, I am pretty sure that retail trade is designed to change the entire ecosystem of retail trade in India, and we are certainly going to do much better what we are doing right now.
Right. Right. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for joining in with us, Mr. Praveen Khandelwal as well as Mr. Manish Singhania. Thank you so much.